So Andrew here at Schofield Motors, and we have the Ford Ranger Seeker Raptor Special Edition. So we'll go around the vehicle, interior and out. So as we can see with the Seeker customization, which is very good quality, it's all colour coded. You can also see where the wide arches are. The fit is very good. It's been professionally done. So as with all vehicles that we sell, this would come with a new 12 months MOT with no advisories. And this one has good service history, but also would include a new full service as well. See the bonnet scoop there, it's all well fitted and colour coded. So we'll get the doors open, have a look at the interior. So you can see the seats are in good condition. We'll go around to the passenger side. So looking at the rear of the Seeker Ranger, we can see has a plastic load liner, rear roller shutter, which we've got open. Got a tailgate protector just on the top, just there. So from the rear, looking at the passenger side, so we do offer all dealer facilities, including finance, part exchange and warranty. If you would like any more information regarding the Seeker, then please do get in touch, and thank you for watching.